Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to talk about pronouns in Persian. Okay guys, my name is Asal and in this channel, I'm going to teach you Persian. If you like this language, you can subscribe my channel. Now, let's talk about pronouns in Persian. Pronoun is a part of a speech which functions as a replacement for nouns. Let's see personal pronouns in Persian. من، تو، او، ما، شما، آنها، آنها, or ایشان. These are full pronouns which their forms in subject, object, or possessive are the same. However, personal pronouns is optional in a sentence because we conjugate verbs. For example, like languages such as Spanish that we conjugate verbs, we can't ignore the pronouns. For example, in Spanish, I can say yo me llamo or me llamo. I can ignore yo, which is a personal pronoun for I. I can use it or ignore it. Farsi is just like that. Because we conjugate verbs, you can ignore personal pronouns in a sentence. The other things that I can tell you is about the pronoun to. To means you, but only we use to for singular person and in informal situation. We use to with our friends and in informal situation. But in formal situation, we use shoma. Okay, for example, when we talk with our teacher or with someone that's very older than us, we call them shoma. Again, it's just like French and Spanish. In Spanish, you use tu in informal situation, but usted in a formal situation. And note that shoma is the second person plural pronoun. Only in a formal situation, it's used as a singular, like to. Okay, these pronouns also have counterparts which use as possessive or object. And usually they attach the preceding word. They are like a suffix. And we may call them pronominal or enclitic pronouns. Let's see together. Am, at, ash, eman, etan, eshan. For example, کتابم، کتابت، کتابش، کتابمان، کتابتان، کتابشان. Okay guys, here are the pronouns video. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment below and I will see you in the next videos. Goodbye. Khodafez.